Hi, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we've got something super exciting, the new Model iX20. It's our shortest and lightest travel trailer. Let's go take a look. The 20X here is going to come in at 23 feet 11 inches in the overall length, and then the GVWR will be just under 7,500 pounds. So this is our shortest and lightest travel trailer at the moment. This is a unique floor plan too, so get that short length. We have a Murphy bed, but it's a completely fresh take on the Murphy bed. So when you first walk in, you're going to end up in your living area, but also your bedroom if you have the Murphy bed down. Now, the cool part about our Murphy bed is going to be that it's a foot latch system, not your average Murphy bed where you're leaning over trying to find a pin that's what holds the panel up for you. So all you do is roll the sofa over and then hit this foot latch here, and then your bed will come down. This is going to be a 68 by 70 bed here, so nice good size, and then it does have a built-in topper in it as well, so it's really comfortable. It's all on a Velcro to the platform too, so you can actually leave your bed made while it's up in the travel position. On the sides you have a floating shelf and a cubby, so you get tons of storage, reading lights on both sides, and then a nice plush foam headboard as well. And then to get the bed up, again, really easy, it all stays together. All you do is just push in and you'll hear the lock, so it's a super simple mechanism. Around the bed, you have all of your wardrobe space, so you got wardrobes on both sides, and then overhead storage as well that's nice and deep, and it's not divided, so you can have long items up there. And then below, you have some nice side tables with storage underneath as well. So in your slide out here, you'll find your pantry, which has upper and lower storage compartments. There is going to be an outlet in here as well, so if you want to have any appliances hidden away off your countertop, it's a perfect spot for those. You'll also have a trifold sofa here. It is going to come standard with theater seating, but you can always option in this trifold sofa here, which is going to double as a sleeper. So you can have people staying with you. We did test it. You can fit both of the beds down and out, so you are going to have room, and then you still have room for your dinette to come out as well. Across from your sofa or theater seats, you'll have your entertainment area here. So starting off, we have a 40-inch smart TV here. You can put all of your streaming platforms through this TV if you'd like over Wi-Fi. All of our windows are going to have the built-in shades here, which do have a thermofoil layer on the outside, which is going to help keep your unit better insulated. Still features all of our CraftSense construction as well, just like all the other Brinkley brands, so we aren't skimping anywhere construction-wise in our Model iX line. It's there. We built this just to bring more value to the luxury camping experience, and also a better towable unit that's going to be a truly half-ton towable trailer. Another awesome feature in the iX line is going to be that we give you a Bluetooth speaker here. It's a Soundcore Boom 2. It's awesome. It packs up quite a bit of punch for its size. It's going to be waterproof and it floats too, so if you like to camp near water and want to take that out with you, whether it's a lake or river or beach, it's a perfect little speaker to do that. Below you'll find your seating area for your dining. So this is a pull-out table. All you do is lift up and pull out. And then you've got a nice dining table here. We do provide 2 folding chairs as well that are going to come in a storage bag stored in your pass-through area. Below you get a ton of storage here, and then this is where you'll find the mounting spot for your speaker as well. So there is a designated storage space for that. All of our soft close cabinet doors still feature as well. And then we also have a nice pull-out drawer here, perfect for utensils or a junk drawer. Up above, before we get into the kitchen, I want to point out that you will get the 18K BTU Furrion Chill Cube across the Model iX line as well. It has a low amp draw when you first start it up, so it's not going to overwhelm your energy system, and it does a great job of cooling for this unit. Now moving into the kitchen, you have a nice rear setup here, nice countertop space, and then a nice large single basin sink here with the pull down sprayer. Still get a window so you can see your campsite while you're doing your dishes. Tons of overhead storage here and below. There is going to be dishwasher prep below your sink, so you aren't missing out on that. From the I to the IX line, you have your nice stove here, 3-burner cooktop, and then a convection microwave up above. There is going to be a Power Max fan up above in your kitchen as well as in your bathroom. A few more cool features that you get in the kitchen of the 20X here. We still give you that designated trash bin storage and the stow and go paper towel caddy, which can be removed. Perfect for taking out on your campsite or wherever you want it in the unit. And behind me, you'll see that we've got a 12-volt, 10-cubic fridge too with a pull-out freezer drawer, so you still have room for all of your goods on the road. Now in the bathroom at the rear of the 20X, you'll find a 30 by 36 shower, plenty of headroom there because you got a skylight built in too with a nice shower tower featuring a hand sprayer, glass shower doors as well with the travel latch so you don't have any mistakes on your travel days. And then we have a porcelain throne here with hooks above, so perfect to hang your towels there. And then great lighting, you've got good counter space here, single sink with the tough ply liner in there as well so you won't scratch it up, and then a beautiful big mirror here. One of the coolest things about the Model IX line is that it still features the seamless laminated aluminum exterior just like the Model I. So you're still going to get that aluminum skin on the exterior that's going to be laminated to an Asdel composite interior panel. This is really cool. Because it basically is going to hold up the gloss and retention over the years, so you're not going to get any fading. It's really beautiful, and you could take it to any automotive body shop to get any repairs done. The front cap is also going to be that metal aluminum with a rock guard that's going to be extended a little bit further high up, just in case any kickback from rocks while you're traveling is going to hit the front cap of the unit. On your tongue jack here, you can see that you have room for 2 tanks here for your LP. You have an electric tongue jack with a nice light in front of it. And then one of the coolest parts too is that it has the Demco Easy Latch coupler, which makes hitching up to your tow vehicle really easy. It's a very simple system to use. Now we're going to take a look at the exterior storage we have. Starting off with the baggage door. We do feature insulated slam latch baggage doors for you with a magnetic hold so you can keep it up out of the way while you're putting things away for storage. We have our tough ply garage floor lining in here, so it's going to help prevent any of your items from moving around, less skidding. And then felt walls too, which is also going to help protect your items. Inside, you'll notice that we have our connectors here, so if you want to turn off your solar disconnect, main disconnect, or your storage connect, all of those can be found here. GFI protected outlet, your light switches. Before I get into the utility side, I want to talk a little bit about the solar components on this unit. So it'll come standard with 200 watts of solar mounted on the roof. It is prepped for an additional panel if you choose to purchase one aftermarket, and it is going to be lithium ready too. So if you have a lithium battery you'd like to install, all of our components will be able to work with those batteries. Now to talk about the utility center I mentioned earlier. This is going to be your Nautilus panel here, which is going to make figuring out your hookups and winterizing your unit an absolute breeze too. We also have this access port here, which is perfect for any hoses that you may want to run through to your Nautilus panel here. It's nice because it helps keep things closed off so you can keep critters out from your storage area as well. You'll also find an outlet here, also GFI protected, motion censored light, and then an additional water pump switch. Your secondary switch can be found on your Brinkley Smart Command Center panel on the interior of your unit as well. And last but not least, I always like to point out these QR codes in this area and other areas of the unit. Scan this with your phone and it will take you straight to the Owner's Hub, which has a ton of how-to videos that we've made to help make camping easier for you. For your entry door here, still an insulated entry door, nothing's changed there. We do incorporate a window in the entry door with a thin shade, so you can have some privacy if you'd like. The door is also going to be on a friction hinge, so if it's a really windy day, it's not going to slam shut on you. And then the screen door, we feature the screen defender, which is great for if you bring your pets along to camp with you, or kids, they're not going to run out through the screen door when they see a shiny object. Below, you'll see some upgraded steps that we have. These are going to be a composite step, so they're super lightweight, and then they also have this nice grippy tread on them too, which is going to help get any dirt, mud, keep your water off, keep you from slipping as you go into the unit. We have an extended grab handle here that can fold over your door in the travel mode. And then moving on to running gear, one really cool thing about all the Brinkleys is that we feature a galvanized steel metal sheet in the wheel well of the wheel area here, which is going to help protect your units should a tire blowout ever happen, and also protect against the elements. The tires themselves are going to be 14-inch Hankook Vantras that are going to be D-rated, so that means that they're 8-ply. And then we also have for running gear the Road Armor equalizer, which is going to help a lot in your travels. And we have dual 3500 axles on here as well. Up above, you'll find a 16-foot awning, and then we have an LP quick connect here in the rear, so you can grill out with the awning out if it's a rainy day. Now at the rear of the unit, this is where you can find some appliances, and first up we have our Furrion backup camera prep, so you can add that aftermarket, so you can get a nice backup camera installed. We have our tankless water heater, and then a 30K BTU furnace here. Down below, you'll find the 2-inch receiver hitch, which can carry 300 pounds. It is not meant for towing on this unit. On the opposite side of the coach, your off-door side, you'll find your service cord here, which is going to be built for a 30-amp service. Then we've also got our ladder. Don't worry, it's not on the rear, it's on the side. And it is the foldable kind, so all you do is you pull these pins out and then lift up, and it will push in closer flush to the unit here. This is nice too. We have grab handles up on the roof, so that's going to help when you are going up to check your seals. Just a little safety component so you feel more secure doing so. Down below, you'll see that we use manual stabilizer jacks here, and then we also have a termination valve here with a clear cap and lanyard on it. That clear cap is to let you see what's actually maybe going to surprise you when you go to clean out your tanks, and then the lanyard is to make sure you don't lose that cap as well. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the Model iX20. If you'd like to know more information about this model, be sure to go to generalrv.com, or you can contact us directly at Brinkley as well.